We've all seen the Canadian Standards Association's logo on consumer products, from hockey helmets to hairdryers. That little symbol represents quite a place. The CSA is concerned with the safety of various products. They can't protect you from dropping your iron on your foot, but they can make sure it won't shock you or burst into flames if it does. Sometimes safety is directly related to performance. This hockey puck is about to be dropped a calibrated distance onto a face mask. Here, an air cannon is about to fire a racquetball into a pair of racquetball goggles. A piece of paper and carbon paper under the goggles registers the contact area.
And if you look inside here, it shows you that it didn't contact the eye.
Products are tested under the kinds of conditions they'll encounter out in the cruel world, from normal use to the extreme. The rating plate on your outdoor appliances has probably spent a few simulated years in a weatherometer to see if it's still readable. This lawnmower is going to be tested for electrical leakage to its metal parts after it's been left in the rain for a while. Motorized devices with carbon brushes are run for a while to build up internal carbon dust before the leakage test is done. Electrical devices are all tested under stressful conditions. This fan will have to operate for 18 days with its rotor jammed without causing a fire hazard. This vacuum cleaner not only has its rotor jammed, but it's covered, in case yours is under the drapes when it jams. Endurance testing is done under the same kind of loads that the device would normally have attached. This is a protective thermostat undergoing a cooling cycle. It'll be heated and cooled a lot of times. This is the lab for vehicle lighting and reflectors. Here's a projector and a sensor aimed at a bicycle reflector at the other end of the room. Electronic appliances are studied for potential problems. Then faults are introduced. What would happen if this diode failed? These guys get paid to break, then repair the same item over and over. A telephone usually operates with a couple of volts of audio signal, but lightning can induce up to 1,000 volts into the lines. This test ensures that your hearing won't be damaged if that happens.
Exactly 1,000 volts.
There are often extra things to anticipate. This flame test checks that a plastic cabinet won't support a fire if the unit that it houses causes one. If the appliance comes in different colors, each color of plastic has to be checked. This hard hat will not only protect you from falling objects, but it will withstand several thousand volts as well. This one passed. Here's a safety boot getting a high-tech hot foot. A product with the CSA logo is tested for safety. That doesn't mean that we can't hurt ourselves with them if we try hard enough. You can still cut your toes off with your lawnmower. You just won't get a shock at the same time.